I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We've got an exceptional property for you in Vaughan for lease. It's a commercial unit, 457 Jevlan Drive, Unit 3. What makes this property exceptional from the outside in, number one, there's incredible parking out front and in behind for your clients and your employees and yourself. It's directly across from premium medical building tenants, other retail tenants that can draw attention to your business. Moving inside the unit, you'll see right away premium finishes in the reception area, fully renovated, 3 offices. 1 and 2 are facing the front of the building. Number 3 is a smaller office that can also be used for storage. And in addition to that, there's a boardroom, which has pot lighting and is also wired already to accommodate meetings with your clients. Also, there's a fully renovated kitchenette, as well as a fully renovated 2-piece bath. So as a face for your business, this is exceptional because it's a gorgeously upgraded interior meeting space for you and your clients. At the rear of the unit, you've got approximately 1,300 square feet of industrial space that's ideal for storage or light manufacturing for clean use. It's about 18-foot clearance. There's a high drive-in level door with plenty of turnaround both behind the unit and around the building, and a man level door at the rear. This exceptional unit is available for net lease. And if you'd like to know more details, it's roughly 2,300 square feet. We're happy to give them to you via our website at matteirealty.ca, or you can email us at info@matteirealty.ca. One last thing, this is an exceptional location. You're literally steps from the 400. There's subway access. You also have access to Western Road. Your clients will have no problem finding you, and you'll have no issue growing your business. So please contact us at the information I gave you to find out more about this lease commercial property in Vaughan. Have a great day.